Hello everyone. A lot of people ask me questions about Jumia, how they can order from Jumia, what they can order from Jumia, where Jumia is located, and all of that Jumia related questions. So today I want to answer every question related to Jumia. So what is Jumia in the first place? Jumia is an online marketplace that was founded in 2012 in Nigeria. Now it operates across some African nations that I'm going to tell you about. So these are the following nations that you can see Jumia active in Africa. So the first one is Nigeria. Nigeria is where it was founded. We have Egypt, Kenya, Morocco, Ivory Coast, that's Cote d'Ivoire, Uganda, Ghana, Senegal, and Tunisia. So you can get, Jumia services in these countries that I have mentioned. Now, how does Jumia operate? Number one, Jumia operates like a marketplace, but a digital marketplace, an online marketplace. See Jumia as a market. When you go to a market, you have different people selling different things. Some sell food items, some sell clothes, some sell phones and all of that. But the market is, owned by Jumia. So that digital platform where people can register. Even you watching this video, you can become a vendor on Jumia. You just have to do a register and all of that. So that is it. Jumia is like that marketplace that provides, that opportunity for people to sell, and for us that are, located, across different places to buy. That is number one. Number two, Jumia, is also a logistics company. Yes, they combine these three things: the marketplace, and then as you sell your markets on Jumia, Jumia also helps you, the vendor, to deliver that good to the buyer. So Jumia connects vendors, to buyers. So you buy something from Jumia from the comfort of your home. Jumia will arrange the logistics that will send it to a pickup station that you have chosen that is closer to you. Number three is Jumia Pay. Jumia operates a secure payment service that can help you pay when you buy something, and help those that are the vendors to receive their money. So I want you to stay with me because I'm going to place an order on Jumia, and we are going to see how to do it, from opening the app to checking out. So just watch this video to the end, and don't forget to like and subscribe. So if you don't have Jumia, just simply go to your Play Store, either Google Play Store or your Apple Store, and download Jumia. When you download Jumia, you can register with your email address and fill in your details, phone number, and your address, that you can always receive your delivery from. So but before we delve into that, there's a unique thing about Jumia that I want to talk about. Jumia operates, a pickup station kind of service. What this means is that when you buy something, you choose a pickup station that is closer to where you stay. Now, I'm in Nigeria, and in different states, so we have 36 states in Nigeria. And in all those 36 states, there is a Jumia pickup station, not just one. In Abia State, we have many. In Imo, we have many. In different states, Lagos, Abuja, Jos, and all of that, we have many pickup stations. So the only thing is that you are the one to decide where you want your goods to be delivered. Now, I can be in Abuja and choose to have my order delivered to Imo State. Yes, it is very possible. The only thing is that when I'm checking out, I will choose the pickup station that I want it to be delivered to. So maybe someone can help me to do what? To pick it up. Maybe I want to send a gift to someone and I'm not in the same location with that person. So I can just only, order the stuff, choose that pickup station that is close to that person. And then maybe I can, if it's a pay on delivery stuff, you can send the money to the person and then screenshot the order details to the person once you receive a notification on your app or email or phone that your order has been shipped or is ready for pickup. Because whenever you order, it takes some days to be available for pickup. So but immediately your order is available for pickup, they will notify you. And the good thing is that you can always track your order on Jumia. So I'm going to show you how to do all of these things. Just watch out. Let's go there. So guys, if you've downloaded the app, I'm going to just open my Jumia app and show you how to do that. So this is how the home page looks like. This is just an extracted version of this so that you can see it very well. You have the home page, you have the categories, carts, you have a wish list and all of that, an account. So when you click on the categories, it's just, the goods and all the things that are sold have been categorized into, their general name so that it will be easy if you are searching for the first time. But if you know what you want to buy, you can just make use of the search bar, and easily search out what you want to buy. So these are the different categories that we have on Jumia: the grocery, computing, gaming, baby products, fashion, accessories and all of that. So if you go to cart, my cart is empty. Go to wish list, some of the things that I had, maybe wanted to buy previously. Go to account. Then this is where you see your help and support, live chat with the customer care. You see your orders, you see your ratings, and the things you have reviewed. You can follow a seller. You can also see your wish list here. You can also check your recently viewed items and all of that. Change your address and payment settings. So now I just want to search for what I want to buy because I already know what I want to buy. So I want to buy unstoppable, scent that is used for washing. So I'll just search it, and once it comes out, because when you search for a particular product, a lot of things may come out that either has the name or keyword. So but I know the particular thing I'm looking for and how to get it. So this is it because it's in my last view. So I'll just open it. So this is how it looks like. You can just check the images that are attached because every product has more than one image to really show you how it looks like. And so you can see here that it's only 8 units left for this particular product. That means if you waste time, maybe it will, you may not see it again. It may be out of stock. So once you are done with the whole thing, you can check your review. If you read the reviews and it's okay to you, you can add to cart, which is what I'm going to just do. And as you can see, it has been added successfully. So you can see there is one item on my cart. So I'll just go out of this place by clicking the back button. You can either use the plus button to add or use the minus button to reduce if you are buying more than one. So you can now go to, if you want to just check out, if you are done, like you don't want to buy any other thing, just click on this cart. When you click on it, it's going to bring you up to the checkout button or checkout platform. So this is it. You see the details of your this thing, your purchase. Now when you check out your address, you see select pickup station. So I already have a pickup station, but I'm going to click on it to show you how to change the pickup station that you want this particular order to go to. So to open like this, just click on region. This is the last place that I ordered from. So you click on region, you search the state. So I'm sending this to Imo State, I will search Imo. Or I'm sending to Abia, I'll search Abia, and they will show me all the available pickup stations. So you can see, you choose the one that is closer to you. That is one thing you have to know. Choose the one that is closer to you. That is the essence of this whole thing. And once you are done, click on confirm order. So once your order is confirmed, you can see other details. They have told you that delivery is pay on delivery because that's the option I chose. And can also track your order. So when I click on track my item, they will say order has been placed but it has not been confirmed and all of that, because there are different stages of what delivery: pending confirmation, shipped, available for pickup, deliver. These are the stages. So I received a notification that it has been confirmed, so I'm waiting for it to be shipped. So if you enjoyed this video, click the subscribe button and drop your comments or questions if you have any. Thanks for watching. Bye.